Welcome back, my dear student. Edwin from the future again. On this lecture, I'm going to show you how to delete a file. All right, and this is going to be probably one of the most simplest lectures of all time. All right, so I'm going to actually come to demo here and create a file. I'm going to call this test delete delete underscore test, because this is the file that we are going to be deleting. All right, so I'm just going to make it a PHP. That's okay. All right, and then if we go here, we see that it is here somewhere. All right, doesn't have anything, it's just there. Now let's actually create a file that is going to delete this stuff. So file deleting on this deleting underscore files .php. All right, excuse me. All right, so how we delete a file? Super simple. I put it with a .php extension there because I wanted you to know that we're not limited to txt files. All right, we can delete PHP files as well. So the way that we do this is by saying, okay, I want you to unlink, all right, and you put the name of the file. So we're gonna say delete delete underscore test.php. All right, but make sure that you put some quotes around it. There we go. That's it. That's all you got to do. And if you come back to your browser here and you find your file and you refresh, you see it's gone. All right, it was gone immediately. So that's it. That's how you delete a file using PHP. Very simple, right? Thank you so much for allowing me to teach you this in this course, and I look forward to seeing you in new lectures and in the project. Take care and have fun.